Welcome to Solar Energy channel. I am Lannel.
Erick.
We are come from Xindun Power factory, which major in solar products for more than 17 years. We are a factory with ISO9001 certification and have different quality certification, for example, CE, TUV, and any other certification. We are focused on solar inverter, solar controller, solar panels, battery, and complete solar system. In the past 3 years, we have worked with more than 69 projects. We are very professional in this field. And today, for this video, we want to show you more information about the solar products and solar industry. Really hope you can get more in this video. Okay, Eric, shall we start?
Okay. In 2023, the source of the energy becomes the problem. People need a new energy source to replace it. And this time, the solar system is a good choice. And more people will use this to support the power for their life. And what affects the solar system mostly? The answer is the solar inverter. We, Xindun Power, focus on solar inverter for more than 17 years. We have all types of the solar inverter. For example, this cabinet design and this wall mount design. And now, can you introduce to us when we buy a solar inverter, what makes me the main point to decide whether we buy or not?
Okay, about this question, that is very important factors when we are buying the solar inverter. You can check in the table. That is our wholesale solar inverter. So about the factors, it will be divided into 4 points. Number 1, the function. For the output, it will have square wave output, modified wave output, and pure sine wave output. As we all know, pure sine wave output, that is the best. All of our solar inverter are used pure sine wave output because it can ensure the AC output more stable. And number 2, about the efficiency. All of our solar inverter, the transfer efficiency are higher than 85%, even sometimes have more than 94%. That is really high and good efficiency. And number 3, if it can work with battery, we all know the complete solar system, it will have work with the battery. Our factory also can provide different battery. For example, lead AC battery, gel battery, laser battery. All of our solar inverter can work with very well. And number 4, the warranty time. Warranty time also means the quality of the products. For our solar inverter, our warranty time are more than 3 years. We all know the warranty time doesn't belong to lifetime. Most of our solar inverter can use more than 17 years. Of course, some of our clients, they give us very good feedback. Our solar inverter can use more than 10 years. About information and points, really hope can solve your question.
Thanks for watching our channel video. Next time, Lannel and me will introduce you more information of our solar inverter. Don't miss it.
Yes, and you can follow us. Of course, you also can connect us in the following connection. All of our team members will give you the best service and support. See you next time.
See you.
Bye.